2015 Elantra GT. Just want to show you the wheel sensor, ABS wheel sensors in the front. Take your 10mm off right here. Right here in the front. Taking one off the strut right here. Another one off the side. And you want to take your inner fender cover off. It's got a couple of clips there. I'll take their Phillips head and a couple of body clips. Pull it down, and then you're going to get up here, and this is where it unplugs right here. So if you're wondering where it unplugs at, it'll be right there. And just follow it down and put your new wheel sensor on right there. Unplugs there. Simple as that. But in case you're wondering where it is, if you're watching this video, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.